So ladies and gentlemen, we crossed over from the ferry next to Ribandar. You know, last time we went to the Malar Bonderas, we went from the old Goa ferry, and this time we came from the Ribandar ferry because we wanted to give you an experience, a different experience to come to Divar. Now behind me you can see this beautiful road over here, and up on the hill up there is the church of Our Lady of Piedad. Now there was a time when the road that we see over here was not there. People were carrying a lot of goods with them, and they were carrying it on their head with patens or baskets, and they would get tired. Whether you came for Boneras or you came just to the market and you had a load, the Gaonkari system during the earlier time created different types of assets along the road, and one asset, a beautiful asset that you can see when you cross over from Ribandar into Divar, is this structure that you see behind over there. Now this structure is made out of masonry. It is this high, and then the weary traveler going around, you know, with his ware or going from one place to another, and he would get tired, he would keep that load on top of that. He would get himself refreshed and then proceed on his journey. The journey from the ferry up to here, they would rest over here, and from here they would proceed into the main village of Divar. And today we are not those weary travelers, but today we have come to bring you the Bonderas. On the first Saturday, the Bonderas are held at Malar, and on the fourth Saturday of August, the Bonera are held in the Malar Ward of Divar. So let us go follow this track and see the Bonderas of Piedad in Divar. When you cross over and you see this Dorne over here, this is called as the Dorne, you also see something else. And when you just turn yourself and look this side, you can see the entire panorama of Old Goa, right from the Our Lady of Rosary church. Behind that you can see the St. Augustine Tower, then you can see the Santa Monica Nunnery, then the St. Francis of Assisi, Sir Cathedral, St. Cajetan's, and on top of the hill, the Monte Chapel. The view from here is amazing, and a visit to Divar is going to get you memories like no other. Don't waste time. When in Goa, please come over and see the Divar Island. So finally, ladies and gentlemen, we have now reached into the Piedad Square, which is just behind me over here. But in Divar over here, behind me, you can see Our Lady of Divar High School. Please keep this in mind. You know that Father Joseph Vaz was given the sainthood, and he is the patron saint of Sri Lanka. Ladies and gentlemen, there is another saint that is going to be canonized. The process is on, and that is Father Jacome Gonçalves. Now, why is the name Jacome Gonçalves and his portrait put up over there? The reason is, this was the house of Father Jacome Gonçalves, and he donated it to this school to start this school, and you can see what a wonderful mansion it was earlier. So what we will do, we'll just take a walk down and we will come to the main square where they are going to have the Bonderam Festival. Come on. So right now you find me standing here amongst all this crowd in the Piedad Square, and behind me you can see the floats that are being lined up to come in procession. But remember, ladies and gentlemen, these floats are only of the wards from here. They don't allow anybody else to come over here, and the message is very clear about the environment. So you can see a lady up there, the fisherwoman, and you can see a lot of people standing over here. And this is the crowd that the Bonderam pulls on this place, because the land is so good that you have just to have an event and you find all these people over here, right from top to down and all over here. Please don't come and leave an opportunity, because we have got all types of people over here. People who believe, people who don't believe, people who say a lot of things, but Goa is Goa. Please do come and enjoy this festival. So let us wait for the floats to start, the tableaus to start, and then you will come to know what is Bonderam. This is no less than a carnival. And about the carnival, we have got a King Momo there. But here, we have a very beautiful queen. Let's meet her, the royalty. She is Salome Pereira. You can see the smile on her face. Salome, do you like being the queen of this parade?
Yes, I love it. It's a very nice feeling of being a queen. And also, this is like the first time I'm actually being on the float, so it's really good.
This is the first time?
Yes.
And you got selected, elected, or you were just pushed into this?
I got selected.
You got selected?
I got selected.
Very nice. We are looking at the first stage of Miss Goa, Miss India, and Miss World. So, what is the duty of the queen?
Actually, the duty of the queen is just like, she's the prime minister and the king is like the president. She makes the rules and the king does it.
Okay. Well, but I think the main job of hers is to give that beautiful smile of hers to a lot of people here, and most of the problems get solved. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
and where are your page girls?
There.
Can you believe it? I am in the presence of royalty and her page girls. Just look at this. Isn't this amazing? Isn't this amazing? Ladies and gentlemen, you can't be more colorful than this. And this is how we celebrate our festivals in Goa. Being very colorful, and we love it when you come here and participate. So I think they are waiting to invite all of you. Would you like to invite the people to come for your Bonderams?
Yes, of course.
Yes, of course. It's a very nice festival. You can see a lot, and Diva Bonderam.
Just have fun and be happy.
Have a lot of fun and enjoy.
Enjoy your Bondera and stay safe.
That's it, ladies and gentlemen. It's all about having fun. So this is the first float or the tableau of Bonderas. So colorful.
Festa
ladies and gentlemen, in Goa we have a festival called as Sanjeev, where the people keep on jumping in the wells and they wear a flower headdress called as the kopel. And when I came here for the Bonderams, I saw two people, a couple rather, who is wearing these kopels. Let's find out from them. Sir, what's your name?
Daniel Rego.
And what's yours, ma'am?
Vienna Dissa.
Vienna. I find that the kopels which are used for Sanjeev, you all are using it now. Why?
Because our theme is festival.
Festival.
Yes, the theme is festival, so it's in a festive mood that we use
You would like
flowers.
it to be very colorful.
Absolutely.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, the theme is colorful and use any of the aspects of Goa and its festivals to come and celebrate. Thank you so much, sir.
Mogan ami rau tau yak na yami bong tau mai mogan chiye tau Hindu Krista Muslim Divar chaya zu yar ek vota mi sambal tau Divar karmonu shar akka goin chama par kore ja ami da kon gotau Piva e mutlar word kota sonsar Divar chena oir kattau Viva, 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 viva amchi Bonderam Zanti toshis nenti ontor nastana Kushal saruya voram Soglia kuch babal padla munon viva Bonderam Sogot nacho ya gaun viva, viva ye viva Bonderam Viva, 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 viva amchi Bonderam Zanti toshis nenti ontor nastana Kushal saruya vora Soglia kuch babal padla munon viva Bonderam Sogot nacho ya gaun viva, viva ye viva Bonderam Viva, 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 viva amchi Bonderam Zanti toshis nenti ontor nastana Kushal saruya voram Viva, 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 viva amchi Bonderam Zanti toshis nenti ontor nastana Kushal saruya voram Do re mi
Sonsani toilo, tachi vola kaun munis jiela. Devan mun shagrot son sonsaran patoilo. Yesuro asamunon mustore sagantilo. Sirati sazarani, Sonsani toilo, tachi vola kaun munis jiela. Zara cheva shechirun mun shan birad momodir ka toida. Taran zonela, korun kora soboita. Kori bigire sobona mi taka apoita. Kala apni uzar korun kora netoita. Meza korun modir ka toida. Toya chowa, jet nomut foladi. Tozana sa, manka modiadi. Taja hatan tasa, kato pachiti. Malor tu kato ya tu yek pilket lepi. Jesu dewa to put son sarantailu. Ajaba panzuzen do ya chawang kelo. Jesu pasun taka aplo adar dilo. Ya chawar kitla famar zalo. Jesu dewa to put son sarantailu. Ajaba panzuzen do ya chawang kelo. Jesu pasun taka aplo adar dilo. Ya chawar kitla famar zalo.
So ladies and gentlemen, you have seen the Bondera of Malar and you have seen the Bondera of Piedad. Goa has got some amazing festivals and you know it. Next time you are in Goa, please come, see them, participate in them, because when you participate, you are bringing brightness to the festival and you carry back memories. But if in case you would like to tell us something, please write on the email that you see here. Whether it is Bonera, whether it is Shigmo, whether it is Carnival, anything, or you have got something to tell us, please write to us. And till then, let me wave a bye to you. Signing off.